Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today I'm not going to give you an idiom. Today's phrasal verb, cut out. Why a phrasal verb today? Well, specifically because I found this kind of interesting when I was going through this, and the way it could be used, it was used as well. So, cut out. Cut out here means, alright, I won't give you the meaning directly. Let's look at it this way. We all have an innate capability of doing certain things, right? We are born with it. That's what innate means. So some people are born with some skill with numbers. They have the mathematical skills. And different people are born with different skills, different abilities. But everybody has at least one specific skill that actually helps him earn his livelihood and contribute to the society. That is called an aptitude. And that's an innate skill. And what education does is to recognize that innate skill and develop it. That innate ability is developed by education and converted into a skill that can be used by that person to earn his daily bread and to contribute to the society and the nation at large, making this place livable. We all have to contribute something, and it's our aptitude, that which we are cut out to do, that makes us, like a good citizen. All right. And that also means you're able to learn things quickly. Some people can understand a very complicated maths problem like this. I was not one of them though. Now let's see how to use this in a sentence, English-wise, all right? See, cut out can be used in three ways. You can say he's cut out for teaching. He's cut out to teach. He's cut out to be a good teacher. See, three different ways of saying it. Mostly you can find this in the interviews, etc. This is going to be pretty useful for that. I'm cut out to do that job because you give your reasons. Let's actually use it in different situations. She's cut out to be a doctor. He isn't cut out to do hard labor. You aren't cut out for the military because that calls for a lot of discipline. Are you cut out for the military? Are you disciplined in your life? Then you are cut out for the military. You have the aptitude required to join the military. Or he isn't cut out to repair the car. Go to another mechanic. Means he doesn't have the aptitude. His father must have forced him into this job. Now let's look at a few synonyms here. Now one of the synonyms is aptitude. You have an aptitude for something or for doing something. Doing is still a verbal noun, so you can say for, you have to add for. So he has an aptitude for martial arts. He has an aptitude for training people in martial arts. Both. Predilection, another one. He showed a predilection for chemistry. All my students showed a distinct predilection for the languages. You have the bent, the competency. The manager has demonstrated his competency in resolving conflicts. That's his aptitude. Interpersonal skills is another kind of aptitude. In simple English, you have what it takes. Do you have what it takes to learn English? Yes, you do. I know it. Everybody has that competency, that flair. Flair is another word, another synonym. You're cut out for something, you have the flair for that. And everybody has a flair for languages. May not be that deep aptitude where you can start working, the ins and outs of a language, but you can communicate. And language is just a means of communication. So you have what it takes to learn English, enough to communicate. So what is it that you have for you. Or you have that for you, that works for you. You have that working for you. Oh, I have my language skills working for me. I have my qualification in accountancy working for me. No, it doesn't work for me. I've kicked it out. But essentially, yes, I have something working for me. That's also my aptitude, which is inside me. And I'm not talking about my TV that's working for me. No, that's also possible. But we are talking about our innate ability, enhanced by training, leading to a skill. So, do you have what it takes to do something? Let us know what is it that you have, your aptitude, your flair. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.